Welcome to the world of Moringa, the natural superplant celebrated for its wholesome benefits. Every part of the Moringa tree offers unique advantages to support your healthy lifestyle. Let's start with the leaves, nature's nutrient-rich powerhouse. Incorporate fresh or dried leaves into salads, smoothies, or teas for a natural boost. Moringa powder is a convenient way to add essential nutrients to your daily routine. Next up, the pods, commonly known as drumsticks, are a culinary delight. Drumsticks add texture and flavor to soups, stews, and curries. They're perfect for creating nutritious meals that bring wholesome goodness to your table. Moringa seeds are small yet mighty, offering versatile uses in everyday life. Traditionally, these seeds help improve water quality in a natural, eco-friendly way. Extracted oil from the seeds is used in cooking and as a natural ingredient in skincare. It's valued for its hydrating properties that leave skin feeling soft and nourished. Even the bark and roots have been traditionally used to support overall wellness. In some cultures, bark infusions are appreciated as part of time-honored wellness practices. These natural practices have been passed down through generations for maintaining vitality. From fresh produce to finely milled powders and oils, Moringa's versatility is unmatched. Try a Moringa smoothie bowl. Just a teaspoon of powder adds a vibrant touch of nature's goodness. It's a delicious way to brighten your day with natural energy. Grow your own Moringa and experience its benefits right from your garden. Plant it in well-drained soil with plenty of sunshine for a thriving, healthy tree. Local markets are buzzing with Moringa, from fresh leaves to innovative health products. Enjoy Moringa in teas, supplements, and even as an ingredient in your favorite recipes. Its natural extracts enhance beauty routines, promoting well-hydrated and radiant skin. Let's recap. Every part of the Moringa tree contributes to a holistic, healthful lifestyle. Incorporate Moringa into your daily routine and enjoy nature's bounty in every bite. Whether you're a chef, a gardener, or simply passionate about natural wellness, Moringa has something for you. Share your creative journey with Moringa and inspire others to embrace its benefits. Join the global conversation using hashtags like #MoringaBenefits and #NatureNourish. Celebrate the joy of healthy living with nature's own superplant at the heart of your meals. Every leaf, pod, seed, bark, and root of Moringa is a gift from nature. Embrace these natural treasures to support your well-being and inspire a balanced lifestyle. If you enjoyed this journey into the wonders of Moringa, like, share, and subscribe for more natural insights. Discover, create, and flourish. Nourish naturally with Moringa. Thank you for watching. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Stay connected and keep embracing nature's wonders. Moringa, your natural partner in a vibrant, balanced lifestyle.